Hello, how to find the integer solution in this problem a square minus b square is equal to 33. Now from here, take note of this, that if you have m square minus u square, this is equal to m minus u bracket m plus u, because this is the difference of two square and this is also in this form. So let's rewrite this equation as this. We have a minus b bracket a plus b is equal to 33. Now we can have the pair of factor of this 33. Now 33 is 1 multiplied by 33, then minus 1 multiplied by minus 33. Now we have 3 multiplied by 11, then minus 3 multiplied by minus 11. So these are the pair of factor of 33. Now let's consider the first case. Now our pair from the first case, we have case 1 is a minus b is equal to 1. Now a plus b is equal to 33. Now the second case, case 2, we have a minus b is equal to minus 1, then a plus b is equal to minus 33. Now let's consider the third case. From the third case, let's call this case 3. From case 3, a minus b is equal to, here we have 3, and then a plus b is equal to, here this is 11. Now the fourth case, let's call this case 4. From case 4, we have a minus b will be equal to minus 3, then a plus b is equal to minus 11. Now we can now solve this. These are the simultaneous equation, starting from the first case, second case, third case, and the fourth case. We can solve the whole of this equation using elimination method. Let's consider the first case. Then from case 1, we have a minus b equal to 1, then a plus b is equal to 33. This is a simultaneous equation using elimination method. We want to add equation 1 and 2 together. Then this will cancel this. We have a plus a. 2a is equal to 1 plus 33, 34. Then we can divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2, this will cancel this. A is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 17. Now we've got the value of a, which is 17. We can substitute for a in any of this equation, either 1 or 2, but I'm going to make use of this 1. Then from equation 1, a minus b is equal to 1. When a is 17, here 17 minus b is equal to 1. Now we have minus b will be equal to 1 minus 17. Minus b is equal to minus 16. Therefore, b is equal to 16. Now let us consider the second case, case 2. From case 2, a minus b equal to minus 1. A plus b is equal to minus 33. We can add the two together. Then we have this, we cancel this. 2a is equal to minus 34. If you divide both sides by 2, divided by 2, then a will be equal to minus 17. Now we've gotten the value of a. Let's substitute for a in either 1 or 2. Let's make use of this one. A minus b is equal to minus 1 when a is minus 17. Here is minus 17 minus b is equal to minus 1. Then minus b will be equal to minus 1 plus 17. B is equal to minus 16. This is the value of b. Let's consider the third case again. Case 3. From the third case, we have a minus b is equal to 3. Then a plus b is equal to 11. Now, we can solve using elimination method by adding the two equations together. This we cancel this. Here, 2a is equal to 11 plus 3, that is 14, divided by 2. This divided by 2. This we cancel this. A is equal to 7. Then we've gotten the value of a. Let's substitute for a in any of these to get the value of b. Then let me make use of equation 2 here. A plus b is equal to 11. Then when a is 7, we have 7 plus b is equal to 11. B will be equal to 11 minus 7. Then b is equal to 4, and this is the value of b. Now let's consider the last case, which is case 4. And let's call this case 4. From case 4, we have a minus b is equal to minus 3. Then a plus b is equal to minus 11. Let's add the two equations together using elimination method as usual. Then we have 2a is equal to minus 14 divided by 2 divided by 2. This will cancel this. A is equal to minus 7. This is the value of a. We can substitute for a in any of these equations to get the value of b. Let's make use of this equation 1. Then from equation 1, a minus b is equal to minus 3. When a is minus 7, then we have minus b. This is equal to minus 3. So minus b will be equal to minus 3 plus 7. Minus b is equal to 4. B is equal to minus 4. This is the value of b. Therefore, our final answers are a, comma b is equal to, the first case is we have 17, comma 16. Then second case is minus 17, comma minus 16. Then third case is 7, comma 4. And then the fourth case is minus 7, comma minus 4. These are the values of a, comma b. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.